We are studying about the different type of animal tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. In the last session, we studied about the different types of epithelial tissue or epithelium. The next animal tissue we are going to deal is connective tissue. As the name indicates, connective tissues connect different parts of our body. Some familiar examples for connective tissues include blood, bone, tendons, and ligaments. Now let's check what is a connective tissue. A connective tissue has two parts, cells and a matrix. The cells remain embedded in the matrix. This matrix can be hard, jelly-like or fluid depending on the function of the tissue. At first, we will discuss about our familiar example, blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue, means the matrix of blood is a fluid. This fluid matrix of blood is known as plasma. The term plasma is common nowadays because we do plasma therapy for corona patients. This yellowish fluid part you see in picture is plasma. It holds the blood cells. Which are the different blood cells in plasma? RBC or red blood cells, WBC or white blood cells and platelets. What is the function of red blood cell? It has the red pigment hemoglobin in its cytoplasm. It carries oxygen from lungs to body parts. The next blood cell, WBC, aids protection from germs and diseases. WBCs are of 5 different types like monocyte, lymphocyte, neutrophil, basophil and eosinophil. What are the functions of blood? It transports gases, digested food, hormones and waste materials to different parts of the body. The next connective tissue is bone. Bone is a hard connective tissue. It has a matrix with bone cells in it. Its matrix is composed of calcium and phosphorus compounds. Muscles are anchored on bones and they give a structural framework to our body. Next, we are discussing about ligaments. What are ligaments? It is the fibrous connective tissue between two bones. This tissue is very elastic and has considerable strength. This fibrous tissue has very little matrix. The connective tissue tendons are same to those of ligaments. When ligaments connect bone to bone, the tendons connect muscles to bones. This fibrous tissue has great strength but limited flexibility. Have you heard of cartilage? This connective tissue is present in our external ear, tip of nose, windpipe or trachea, larynx and ribcage. It is also present at the bone surface in every joint. Cartilage has widely spaced cells. Its matrix is composed of proteins and sugars. When blood has a fluid matrix, the bones have hard matrix, whereas cartilages have jelly-like matrix. Areolar connective tissue. It is named after the airy appearance of the tissue. This tissue is found between the skin and muscles, around the blood vessels and nerves, and in bone marrow. It connects our skin with underlying muscles. It is also present under the epithelial tissue of all body systems that have external openings. This connective tissue fills the space inside the organs, support internal organs, and help in the repair of tissues. The last connective tissue is adipose tissue. This tissue stores fat. It is present below the skin and between internal organs. The cells of this tissue are filled with fat globules. Storage of fat let it act as an insulator.